Welcome back. Today, you are going to learn about the Mauryan Empire. The Mauryan Empire had three great rulers, Chandragupta Maurya, Bindusara, and Ashoka. Before I proceed further, I would like to explain the meaning of an empire. An empire is a large kingdom spread over a vast area. It is controlled by a ruler. The first empire of the world was Akkadians of Mesopotamia. In India, the first empire was built by the Mauryans of Patliputra. Can you imagine, children? The Mauryan Empire was the first ever empire in India. Now let's do the role of Chanakya. According to a legend, Chanakya was a teacher at Taxila University when the Greeks invaded India. He vowed to expel them from the Indian territory as they were a great threat to India's sovereignty. He decided to inspire a number of Indian rulers to unite and fight the Greeks. Therefore, Chanakya went to the city of Patliputra to seek help from the ruler of Magad, Dhanananda. But King Dhanananda was a dictator with many enemies. One day, he insulted Chanakya by passing an order to throw him out of the court. Taken aback by the rude behavior of the king, Chanakya walked out of the court in anger. He vowed not to tie his hair in a top knot, a common practice among the Brahmins, till he had avenged his insult. So he began his search for a king who could take over the Nanda kingdom and rule it wisely. His search for a powerful king ended when he met Chandragupta. Chandragupta was a young boy. Chanakya took him under his care and started teaching him warfare and politics. Later on, Chanakya helped Chandragupta overthrow Dhanananda, the last ruler of the Nanda dynasty, and capture the throne of Magad. Therefore, Chandragupta became the founder of the Mauryan Empire, and Chanakya, also known as Kautilya or Vishnugupta, served him as an advisor, guide, planner, teacher, and prime minister. Under the guidance of Chanakya, the Mauryan Empire became the largest empire of that time. Children, how do we know so much about the Mauryan Empire? We get to know through various sources. For example, Kautilya's Arthashastra. It provides information about the Mauryan administration. Indica, written by Megasthenes, the Greek ambassador to the court of Chandragupta Maurya. This book provides valuable information on the Mauryan administration, military organization, and social condition of that period. We must know more about Chandragupta Maurya. Chandragupta became the first king of the Mauryan dynasty. After becoming the king, he fought with Seleucus Nicator. The general appointed by Alexander defeated him and compelled him to sign a treaty. Seleucus gave his daughter Helen's hand in marriage to Chandragupta and sent Megasthenes as Greek ambassador to Chandragupta's court. Chandragupta Maurya built an empire that included Bihar, parts of Odisha, central India, and Bengal. He further extended his empire up to Afghanistan, Balochistan, and the areas west of River Indus. Children, why is he regarded as the first unifier of India? Because he conquered many parts of the Indian subcontinent. At the age of 42, Chandragupta gave up his throne, embraced Jainism, became a monk under a Jainacharya, Bahadra Bahu, Then he moved to South India and spent his last days at Shravan Belagola in present-day Karnataka. Chandragupta was succeeded by his son Bindusara. After Bindusara's death, Ashoka became the next Mauryan king. Children, let's recap. We have done what is an empire, role of Chanakya, various sources, Chandragupta Maurya, the founder of the Mauryan Empire. Thank you, children, for watching this video. I hope you have a great day.